If you want to create a clean reflection effect in your designs, here's exactly how to do it step by step in Canva. First, open Canva and choose the format you want to work with. This can be for a thumbnail, social media post, or any design you need. Once you're inside, add your main element. This could be an image, text, or a logo, whatever you want to apply the reflection effect to. Now, duplicate that element. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+D or using the duplicate button. Next, select the duplicated element and go to the Apps section. Search for the tool called Combine Images and open it. Inside this tool, look for the option called Blend Image. Adjust the settings until the image looks smoother and more natural. This step helps create a more polished and professional effect. Once you're done, go back and select the duplicated element again. Now click on Flip and choose Flip Vertical. After that, drag the flipped version and place it right below the original element, aligning it carefully so it looks like a reflection. At this point, you'll already see the effect, but to make it look even better, you can adjust the colors or add a soft overlay to match your design style. And that's it. With just a duplicate, blending, flipping, and positioning, you can create a clean and modern reflection effect in Canva that's super easy to replicate. If you want, I can show you an even more advanced version that looks like high-end brand designs.